Okay, now this is the other example that I told you I would do with you. Okay, now this is just going to be from part 3 and part 4 on that page 239. So put your finger on part 3 again. So remember, the instructions say what? List the numbers you could use to reduce each fraction. Circle the best choice. Okay, so be careful. There's 2 parts to that question. So look up here, we have to decide what numbers we could divide 9 and 18 by. Well, let's start big, you guys. Let's start with 9, okay? You can't start with 18 because you can't do 9 divided by 18. Oh, dear. But let's start with 9. Can you do 9 divided by 9? Yes. Can you do 18 divided by 9? Woo! Yes, you can. Okay, so 9 is going to be one of our numbers. Okay, let's think about our factores of 9. When I mean factores, I mean what numbers multiply to get 9? We have 1 times 9. We already used the 9 and never used 1, remember. We have 3 times 3. Oof, that's it. That's all we have, okay? So the other number has to be 3, but let's just check it. 9 divided by 3? Possible. 18 divided by 3? Possible. So your other one is 3. Okay, tell me, what does it mean to find the best one? Waiting. What does it mean to find the best one? Yes, you guys, to pick the biggest one that divides into those. Good, so you're gonna circle the what? The 9 or the 3? The 9, the biggest. Then look at number 4. It says, reduce to lowest term. So remember what you're gonna do. This time you're gonna take that big number that you found and divide it down here. So 9 divided by 9 is 1, and 18 divided by 9 is 2. There's your answer. 9 over 18 is the exact same thing as saying 1 over 2. Boom. Okay, the only other part that we have to do is 2 things on the back. So look at the back of your page. Okay, I bet you could have guessed which one we were going to do on the back of the page because I told you I was going to help you with these. Your conversion ones. Okay, so look at your number 8, your conversion one. Put your finger on that. Look what it says. 516 LB. What are LB? Libras in English, pounds. 516 pounds plus 5 tons, toneladas, is equal to how many? Libras, pounds. So, you want all of your answers to be in libras, which means you have to change one of these. Which one are you going to change, you guys? Vamos a cambiar. Tons. We don't want that tons anymore. You're going to cross it out. Let's get a different marker so you can see. Cross it out. Boom. Okay, you're going to write it down here. 5 tons equals how many pounds? Right? Okay. Do it with me. Stop the video. Write it again, okay? 5 tons. Line. What do we put on the bottom, you guys? Do we put tons or do we put pounds? Always the one that's right here. Always the one that's right here. So you put this on the bottom. What do you put on the top? Whatever's left. Okay. How many pounds are in a ton? If you need to, you can look at your sheet. You're going to have your sheet, okay? But it's 2,000. There's 2,000 pounds in a ton. Where are we going to put that 2,000? You're going to put it with the pounds. 2,000 pounds into 1 ton. Please don't put the 2,000 on the bottom, you guys, because that would say 2,000 tons in 1 pound, and that's not true. Remember a ton, think of an elephant. There are 2 tons to an elephant. So now we have to decide something. You have your 2,000 on top and your 1 on the bottom. When the number that is not the 1 is on the top, do you multiply or do you divide? You multiply. Okay, here we go. 5 times 2,000. 5 times 2,000, you guys, is really easy. If you have a bunch of zeros, you're going to put all those zeros there. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Then you go 5 times 2 is what? 10. 1, 2, 3, comma, 10,000 is your answer. You're going to put 10,000 up here. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, because I don't know what you just did. Okay, well, we can multiply. Okay? 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. 1, 2, 3, comma. There's your 10,000. Now what we're going to do, 10,000 plus 516. 10,000 plus 516 is obviously 10,516 pounds. And that is your answer. Boom, shakalaka, right? Okay, exciting. Oh, happy days.